Namaste dosto. Hello folks, welcome. Those who completed the series Suits and want to watch similar legal dramas, here are some thrilling Kanuni dramas. From high-stakes courtroom battles to outside the courtroom drama, we'll guide you through some captivating legal series. So grab your gavel or popcorn and get ready for a wild ride. First up, The Good Wife, जहां अलिशा फ्लोरिक अपने पॉलिटिशियन हस्बैंड के स्कैंडल से बिल्कुल अनअवेयर होती है और उसकी दुनिया अचानक से उलट-पुलट हो जाती है। With her reputation in tatters, Alicia अपनी लॉ डिग्री की धूल झाड़ती है and steps back into the courtroom, determined to rebuild her life and career from scratch. She's not just the good wife, she's a force to be reckoned with, showcasing her intelligence, resilience, and legal prowess. From battling opposing counsel to navigating the intricate world of law and politics, Alicia खुद को मजबूत बनाए रखती है, हर चुनौती का सामना करते हुए. The show brilliantly portrays relationships, ambition, and power, weaving a complex narrative that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. Juliana Margulies. As Alicia is brilliant and her chemistry with Josh Charles is captivating, adding depth to the storyline. With an IMDb rating of 8.3, The Good Wife legal drama lovers के लिए एक must-watch है. It's a show that not only entertains, but also makes you think about the complexities of life, law, and morality. Next, we head to Boston Legal, a show that masterfully blends the intensity of legal battles with a generous dose of humor. जहां legal battles humor के साथ आते हैं. This unique combination makes it stand out in the world of legal dramas. Alan Shore, a brilliant but eccentric lawyer, जल्दी से witty remark करने के लिए जाना जाता है. His sharp wit and unconventional methods often leave both his opponents and colleagues in awe. He's joined by Denny Crane, a legendary lawyer with a fading memory. Denny's larger-than-life personality and unpredictable behavior add another layer of intrigue and amusement. Sat Milker, they tackle cases from corporate scandals to murder trials. Their dynamic partnership ensures that no case is too big or too small. The show addresses serious issues while keeping things entertaining. It deftly balances the gravity of the legal world with moments of levity and humor. Memorable characters like Alan, Denny, and Shirley Schmidt इसे special बनाते हैं. Each character brings their own unique flair and depth to the storyline. With an IMDb rating of 8.4, Boston Legal उन लोगों के लिए एक must-watch है, जो legal dramas with humor enjoy करते हैं. Its high rating is a testament to its quality and appeal. It proves there's always room for fun in the serious world of law. The show reminds us that even in the most serious of professions, a little laughter can go a long way. Now let's talk about The Lincoln Lawyer, a show that redefines the legal drama genre. जहां आपको एक fancy office की ज़रूरत नहीं है to practice law effectively. You don't need a high-rise office to be a legal eagle. Mickey Haller, a defense attorney, अपने Lincoln Town car से ही अपना काम चलाता है. He turns his car into a mobile office, bringing justice on the go. Mickey अपने clients को बचाने के लिए creative solutions निकलता है. His unconventional methods often surprise both his clients and his adversaries. The series takes us through the underbelly of Los Angeles with various cases. From high-profile murders to small-time hustles, every case is a new adventure, full of twists and turns. ये आपको end तक guessing में रखता है. The plot keeps you on the edge of your seat, never knowing what will happen next. With an IMDb rating of 7.7 and Manuel Garcia Rulfo as Mickey Haller, legal thriller fans के लिए यह एक must-watch है. His portrayal of Mickey is both charismatic and compelling. Sometimes the best legal advice comes from unexpected places. In this series, you'll see how unconventional wisdom can solve the toughest cases. Hold on to your gavels. How to Get Away with Murder Suspense or Drama Ka Roller Coaster hai. Annalise Keating, a brilliant defense attorney and law professor, boundaries torti hai to win. Each season, she selects ambitious law students, leading to murder, betrayal, and secrets. The show highlights the emotional and psychological toll of legal battles. With Viola Davis delivering an award-winning performance and an IMDb rating of 8.1, suspense lovers के लिए यह एक must-watch है. Have these legal dramas arrested your attention? From The Good Wife to How to Get Away with Murder, there's something for everyone. Grab your gavel or remote, get comfortable, and prepare to be entertained. Like, share, and subscribe for more recommendations. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay entertained.